Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your HP account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and access HP services and support. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to hp.com. Click on Sign in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your email address and password to log into your HP account. If you signed up using Google or Facebook, select the appropriate login option. Step 3. After logging in, look for any verification notifications or banners prompting you to verify your email address. Step 4. Click on your profile icon or account name in the top right corner and select Account Settings or My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In your account settings, navigate to the Personal Information or Email section to check your verification status. Step 6. If your email is not verified, you'll see a button or link labeled Verify Email or Resend Verification Email. Click on it. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a verification message from HP with a subject line like Verify your HP account email address. Step 8. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the HP website and automatically verify your email address. Step 9. You'll see a confirmation page indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Step 10. Return to your HP account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified with a check mark or verified label. Step 11. For additional security, consider setting up two-factor authentication in your account security settings to protect your HP account. Step 12. With a verified account, you can register HP products, access warranty information, download drivers and software, contact HP support, and manage your HP services and subscriptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.